Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. No, I don't. That's Instant Noodle. That's unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. This is Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Jeez. I'm getting all distracted because, like, every 2 minutes, I get an error on my phone when I'm doing anything that says, Alexa has closed. It's like, I'm not even running it. Whatever. So, here's another one of these. This is the Suimin Origins Thai green curry. Yeah. And it's from Australia. And I'm doing them kind of out of order today, but it's in the right order for you. So, don't worry. Don't worry. But I might get a little fumbled up a bit, but the one I just had a few minutes ago, at least the one I sampled a few minutes ago, was the massaman, the beef massaman, and that was exemplary. I would have eaten that whole thing unless I stopped myself. Whew. Gotta have power over oneself. Got curry powder, curry paste, included fork. I know there's two more. I think there's herbs, and then there's chili. Okay, so as it goes, you add 400 mils of water, which I'll be adding in just a second, after I add the coconut milk powder and the paste in not that order because I have this right here. So here's the paste. What you go? Look at that! Look at that! Oh boy! So here's the green curry paste, and next will be the coconut milk powder. For your enjoyment today. And yeah, if you're new to watching my show here, you're probably like, wow, that dude eats instant noodles he eats like 3 of them a day. What's up with that? It's like, no. I will be coming out with what happens to the noodles after I review them. Short film with a bunch of sad music and a bunch of video of me dumping them down the sink. That's really what happens. Some people have been like, that's such a waste. It's like, well, what do you want me to do? Eat all of them? Do you think they do that on the Food Network? No. Oh, wow. Really? Really? Okay, so this is interesting. And it's 2 minutes. There we go. So it says that the fill line is an approximation, but that you should be adding 400 milliliters of water. Now, the 400 milliliters of water is way below that fill line. So this should be interesting. It should be very interesting because that other one had a lot of broth and a lot of flavor. I bet you this is just going to be like screaming. Yeah, that's impressive. I started the timer right. Yeah. Okay, time for a little bit of a beverage for me. Today's my daughter's birthday. We went to the espresso place. Not the greatest espresso place in the world, but not bad. They had espresso. I got a shot of espresso. I used to get straight shots of espresso all the time. Haven't done it in years. Meh. And Little Miss, who is my daughter Miriam, who is 2 years old today. She got a straight shot as well. No, I got her a little thing of chocolate milk. And a raspberry streusel tart, which she wouldn't touch. So even after that, we walked to the store because we had something to get. We go by the bakery. The lady comes out, "Oh, do you need a cookie?" Gives her a cookie. She holds on to it the whole way home. I still have it here, and my son will eat that. But it's like, that's her. That's my girl. What's funny too is that cookie. It was a frosted sugar cookie. Those things are pretty, I don't know, delicate would be the term. So I mean, this is interesting. I'm just still like kind of amazed at the whole fill line deal. This is a little very tiny sachet of chili powder. I'm going to use all of it. That's how I do. There you go. And then here is, I think this is like herbs. Mushrooms and such. That sounds lovely. So we will add that. Give it another stir. Stir it and stir it and stir it and such. And then it says for 2 to 3 minutes. And I am going to go with the 3 minutes, as I prefer thickness. Actually, I should be doing 2.5. But I'm doing 3, so there we go. Yeah. Been doing a lot of walking lately. Yesterday, I was pretty much just like laid up from all the walking I've been doing. It might sound silly, but it's like, yeah. I've got one of those little Fitbit things where it tracks your steps, and it automatically set a goal for me of 7,000 steps, which was below my average for the week. One day I did like 11,600. One day I did over 10,000. Yesterday I did over 10. No, Saturday I did over 10,000. That's right. Today I'll hit 7,000. I did like 5,000 before 9 a.m. So, yeah. But, yeah, it's like my knees have just been like killing me. It's like crap. Finally get the opportunity to get some good exercise, and then my system's just gonna be like, nope, sorry. Go sit at your desk some more. It's like, I don't wanna. Jeez. I've got everything timed out just perfect. So I can get everything like for getting ready for what I'm doing right now done in the morning, and then put my daughter down after lunch and have time to cook all this up, and then do the end stuff, which is editing the photos, upping the video, doing all that, scheduling, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah. But, was very happy. It's still not even Christmas yet here in my universe. But they were playing, what was that song called? Baby It's Cold Outside on the overhead speakers at the supermarket. I was like, if you're not in the United States, you might have not heard of the fact that there's a lot of people that are anti that song and trying to boycott it and ban it because of, I really don't understand why, but thinking that it's equivocal to like rape. It's like, I'm sorry. I guess if you like really are into that, you could put it into that perspective, but I don't know. I think changing things that have come before to make it more safe for people now is kind of stupid when it comes to like a song, you know. But that's just what I think. And many of you will say, well, you're just an internet guy doing an internet video about noodles on the internet. And it's true, I'm an internet guy doing internet videos about noodles on the internet. But I can have an opinion. But I've had people tell me, you should just stick to noodles. Don't talk about politics. Shut up. But I don't want to. You do your own show, and you can do just politics, or you can just shut up on your show. You can just have a show where you're sitting there on a couch watching television. I'm guaranteed somebody's doing a live feed 24/7 of them sitting on the couch. I know that was popular at one point. Anyways, here's the green curry. Interesting. Interesting. There we go. It's very gravy-like with the exact 400 milliliters of water. Boy, that's good. I gotta tell you, that's got a really nice strength to it. That's good. Bravo! I'm impressed. Just, and if you put it up to the line, it'd still be good. So, got some grilled chicken I'm gonna throw in with it. And I've got mung bean sprouts. I've got egg. I don't know about the egg now. I really want to use the egg though. But yeah, if you see here, I mean, it's like soup. Not really as soupy. It's more just thick and saucy. Saucy. And very aromatic. Very herbed. I'm going to do the egg. To hell with it, I say. Here comes an egg. Yeah, because actually, as far as doing reviews and stuff, today and tomorrow are going to be like my main doings of this week. And then it's kind of going to get different because my son, Miles, he's going to be on Christmas break. Which I can't like just sit here and do 3 long reviews and let him just chill out up there. I gotta hang out with the boy. You know. Okay, and then we've got some mung bean sprouts. Spring onion. I think just like a sprig of coriander right there. Yeah. That gonna work? Got one up here too. Yeah! Alright. So there, I don't know. I have to clean that up a little bit, but I think that's what we're gonna end up with today. There we are. So, I hope you enjoyed viewing this, and do take your time and check out these Suimin varieties. These are just like I got one to go, and these are just fantastic. So, yeah. Impressed, to say the least. Have a good one. Bye.